What's good is that this poem right here is titled Youngin. I gotta listen to it. So it's a lot of meaning behind this. Young young nigga, recognize that I didn't say man. No goals in life before that next dollar, he had a plan. Only 17, 5'5", and about a buck 45. But he was thugging, paying sag while he gripping his nine. And yeah, stubborn, like Kanye. He don't want your advice. Not afraid of the sale shit, he been there twice. And he had friends that was killers and some schoolboys too. They call him Youngin. Wasn't none this little cat wouldn't do. His schoolboys tried to tell him, hey bro, you need to slow down. But I told y'all he was stubborn, so shit, he just blew that down. And he stayed on the block with the OGs, he banging. He fell in love with the life. He'll be damned if he changed. And if you fuck with his partners, then shit, you fuck with him too. Don't never come to his hood tripping, or he catching a body or two. One day, that's exactly what some little niggas did. Came banging around set, they got Youngin misunderstood. Standing the ground, Youngin made it too clear to be seen. Them little niggas did the same shit, it's about to be a scene. Youngin up the two, busted, caught one nigga in the hip. They bust back, that's when Youngin caught a nigga in the lip. Blood drip, body fall, Youngin feel like a king. Caught his first body, shit really feel like a dream. Niggas fled, Youngin ran to his niggas, he bragged. By the day, the whole city knew what had happened. And from the incident, Youngin got a lot of respect. OG saluted him, he was the king of the Jits. Word got to his fam, but Youngin didn't deny it. Then they preached to him, if you live by the gun, you gonna die by it. And this is my third time telling y'all Youngin was stubborn, so they should just went in one ear and out the other. Now back to the block with Youngin after landing low. He was gone for some months and his cash was low. Now he on the corner with the work, getting little niggas right. He made a week worth shit just in that one night. Before he left the corner that day, he made one more sale to a chick in a Benz and she was sexy as hell. She flirted with him hard, so Youngin got right with them digits. He chatted with her for 2 weeks, now she wanted to kick it. Now he don't usually travel before this one chick he did. Youngin was feeling her, and shit, he about to get her the biz. So that night he met with her, they was watching some movies. He kissing on her neck, touching, squeezing the booty. She turned on, that's when she invite Youngin into her bed. No hesitation, Youngin in and kissing her on her legs. He threw waiting, Youngin ready, shit, he about to dig her. When he reached for the condoms, in came the little niggas. Youngin too was on the couch, so ain't shit he could do. He jumped up, tried to run, the nigga started to shoot. Youngin hit the floor, heartbeat got slower and slower. Youngin died, the niggas dropped them all back at his cone.